welcome back to another week of Cooking with Square Foods, and welcome to the new cookery school. We're so excited to be here and we can't wait for some of you to come and have a look very soon. So this week's recipe, we have a delicious sweet corn fritter which we're going to serve with a beautifully vibrant mango salsa full of lovely zingy lime, chili, onion and a bit of coriander and mint. And then for the fritters we've got these beautiful golden kernels of sweet corn with some lovely spices. We've got some paprika, cumin and coriander. So I really hope you enjoy it. I really hope you enjoy the recipe. Look at these beautiful colours. I just think of summer coming and spring is on the horizon. So I really hope you enjoy the lovely flavours of this sweet corn fritter. I'm just going to have a give it a go. Bit of mango salsa on the top. Really good.